Hello. Hi, everyone. Oh, I've just got our first message from somebody on Facebook. Hiya. How's everyone going? A little bit of a change of scenery today. I'm hoping that everyone can hear me because I've not got Ian with me today doing all the buttons and stuff like that. So that means that I am trying to one-man it, getting up my, look at that, graphics up on the screen. I'm hoping that you guys can hear me. If you want to, I'm trying to manage the chat and see everything. Hello, Joshua. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know in the chat if you can hear me and you can see me and stuff okay, because this is a brand new setup for me. So I'm kind of learning as I'm doing it and getting out there, and hopefully you guys can all see me and hear me okay. And yeah, we'll see. I've not had anyone coming back saying echo or can't hear you or anything like that yet. So I'm taking it at the moment that we are all good and we're here to go. So a little bit different. Oh, thanks, Liz. Great to hear that everyone can hear us. A little bit different this week. Rather than, as we've been doing it in other weeks, I'll be showing you how to do a computer game design and things like that. There's nothing too fancy. It's quite simple today. What I'm going to be doing is looking at a couple of the games that were produced last week and picking our winner. We had 3 that were really good, but we managed to pick 1 winner from them. So I'm going to have a quick look through those games, and then I'm going to do a little announcement about what we're going to be doing next, because I know that a lot of you would like to know what we are doing next and how it's all going. But before we do any of that, I actually just want to show you a lovely picture that we got through today from our winner from last week. Here is Rupert Robinson showing off his cool Kicktronic arcade, and you can see a bit of his code there behind there. So it's always we always love it when people send through an image of them with the devices and things like that. And doing so, I'm sure you're having great fun with that. So thank you very much, Rupert, for sending that through and letting us show everyone how much fun you are having with that. Moving on to this week's game. So I'm going to try and do something fancy, and now I'm going to try and turn on my screen. Yeah, there it is. Lovely. And I'm going to make this one a spotlight. Hey, there you go. So we can see me and we can see the game. So this is our first game that we really liked. It is one from, the name of the person is Natasha Mooney. It's 11. And a little bit different to the type of game that I made, where if I refresh it and play it, it kind of gives you some instructions. So it says, count down from 3, and on 0, pull the triggers, and whoever's the fastest wins. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to press the A button to go, and I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, shoot. And the bullet's going to cross, and then, player 1. I must have been a margin quicker there with player 1 than I was with player 2. So I'm going to have another quick game of it. Game over. So, but really good. I like the coding. A little bit different, as I say, with my game. I like the idea of it, though. Nice kind of quick draw type game action. I'll have another game. Draw. Oh. Player 2 wins this time. So fantastic. So you can see that both, it's got an options for both players to win. So fantastic effort, Natasha. Not our winner this week, but a brilliant game, quick draw. We really enjoyed playing it, and I like that it's a little bit different to the one that we've done. I like the way that you've got it to work. I like the drawing in the background and everything. I think you've done a cracking job there with that. So moving on to our next one. This one was sent in via Jake Hill. Who is 9. This one was kind of like an escape one, so I'm going to make it big so that we can see it. There we go. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? Let's refresh this and give this a bit of a game go. So Jake is 9. And we've got kind of these 2 robbers on both sides of the screen. And we've got what we liked about this, or Jack really liked, who was choosing the winners this week, is the life system at the top. So this is a co-op game, a bit like my one, where they've both only got a certain amount of lives before they're able to get to the end of it. So I'm going to keep playing it, see how I get on. I'm not too good actually at this game. I think I'm going to be all day. But I like the way that you've done some custom drawings. You've got the 2 different characters, and we've got the I've muted it because I thought it might drive people insane. But there was a little bit of a ambulance, not an ambulance, is it? Police car noise. We had the sirens going in the background, and if you look carefully on the police cars that they've got, the sirens, the blues and twos are going there, so you can see that the kind of sirens are going as they're going through, as they're changing. I'm going to let this one die so I can get to the end and see. So I got a new high score there, so that was really good. Unfortunately, not the winner this week, Jake, but a fantastic effort. We really enjoyed playing it. A great game. Our winner this week was this one. Well, I've got the code up here rather than the simulator, so I'm going to turn it onto the simulator. And this one was called Duck Duck Jump. And this one is from, oops, just pause it, refresh that. Let me get my game working. There we go. This one was from Jacob Meyerskoff. An absolutely fantastic game. I'm terrible at it, but he's got points and lives. I really like the animation of the snake. So this one was where the players were going against each other. So player 2 won the game then in this one. But yeah, and then the player 2 can carry on playing a little bit afterwards, see how much they can get the score to, because it had lives and points. So a brilliant game there, and just to say a massive well done to Jacob Meyerskoff. We will be in touch with you to send out your prize and get that to you in the post. Well done to absolutely everyone who took part in these and had a go at doing it. We really loved going through them and playing them. Let me bring up myself big screen again. So yeah, we loved making them and playing them. Well done. It was absolutely great, and we can't wait to start it and do that. But okay, so oh dear, it's in the wrong screen. It's showing. It says broadcast will begin shortly. Hopefully, that is from a while ago, and you guys were able to see me. Oh, you're not able to see the games then? Oh dear. Let's have a quick look at my graphics. Let's have a quick look at them. See if I can turn that off. Let's hide that. Okay. Let us know in the chat if you can see this now. Sorry about that. This is the problem with me doing it on my own. You can see properly now. Nightmare. Okay, so I'll go through this last one again real quickly. So this one was the winner. This one was sent in by Jacob Meyerskoff, sorry. Let's refresh it. And we've got these ducks and snakes that are coming at them. And I really like it as it is a 2-player game where they're fighting against each other or trying to beat each other. We have a blue one, and I like the way the snakes are kind of like doing that animation at the bottom where it's almost biting down as it's going through. And I like the way it's got the title as well at the top. So on this one, it says player 2 has won, and my score for player 2. And then I'm going to keep going with player 2, see how many scores I can get before I actually reach the end. So if I'm going to die that time. Fantastic. Oh, you saw the last 2, did you? Fantastic. So let's have a quick look, and I'll just quickly bring up the other 2 just so we can have a quick look at them. So this one was the police one, where we are trying to escape the police, and this one was sent in from Jake Hill. Love it. And then I'm just going to quickly show us one more one, the quick draw one, just in case we didn't see this one. This one was the quick draw one that was sent in from Natasha Mooney. We really like this one. Oops. Let's start that one again. Counts down from 3 to 0. And on the pull we go. So 3, 2, 1, shoot. And player 1 wins. Yes, Louise. No worries to jump up into YouTube if you want to, but it's not a lesson today. We're just doing the announcement of the winner of the competition. So you don't need to set any equipment up or anything like that. We're just doing a quick announcement video. So the winner for this week was Jacob Meyerskoff with this Duck Ducky Ducky Jump. We'll put the code for that on our website as well, so you can play through it. So the last thing that we want to talk to you about is what we're doing next. And I'm sure a lot of you will want to know what we're doing and how you can get involved in it and stuff like that. So the great news is that Mako Create have been successful in getting some funding from the Arts Council. Let's make me big again. Arts Council England. So that's really good because it means that we can continue to do some of these cool projects completely free of charge, and we're going to be live streaming them out. So if you would like to carry on doing them, we'd love to have you back and continue to learn with us. So we've been thinking this week about what we can do and how we can go about it, and we've come up with 2 projects that we're going to be running. So rather than just doing one, we're going to do 2. As we are not far away from the summer holidays, we've decided to run 2 3-week projects. So the first project that we're going to be starting is a digital animation project. So that project will be looking at how you can use smartphones and tablets to make your own digital animations. So essentially like cartoons. But we've found some cool free software that we're going to be using each week and showing you some more skills so you can develop yourself as a little bit of an animator, start making your own cartoons, start making your own rotoscope videos and stickman battles and all sorts of cool videos and animations like that. So that one is going to be starting in a couple of weeks' time. And we've also, because of how popular the computer game design one was, the coding computer games, we've also decided to run another one based on computer game, but this time it's going to be slightly different. We're going to have Paul delivering this one. So some of you may have met Paul from our previous videos, or you might have seen him at the expansion packs and things like that. But Paul is going to be running a 3-week project, and we're calling this one a retro video game mashup. So what he's going to be doing is teaching you how to make your favorite characters from video games, put them into a game, but then mash them up. So you might have a Sonic-based character on a Mario level, or you might have a Sonic Mario character, or you might have yourself with Yoshi as a character. Gosh, the possibilities are endless. We're going to be able to do loads of different things. So that's really going to be a nice, fun one. And what we're doing during that project over the 3 weeks is we are making a platformer. So we didn't really look at that too much during this project. We did lots of different projects, and we used Corgio a little bit to make a kind of cheating platformer because it was nice and quick to do. But we're going to be using Paul's going to be teaching you how to code your own platformers, but we're going to reference and use loads of retro video games to make a kind of like retro video game mashup. So everyone will have their own mashup, which is a little bit different, and it's going to be similar to how we've run this time. We don't have all the details up. It's a bit of a secret at the moment. It's just you guys that are finding out that are watching this live stream. We're going to be going and telling everyone the dates and how to book onto it and things like that in the next few days. Hopefully everything should be live at the end of this week for you to be able to tell us if you want to take part in it and things like that. So as soon as that goes out, I'm sure you'll all get notifications and stuff like that about it. But yeah, so just to say, wrapping up, a massive congratulations to Jacob Myskov. One of these is on its way to you. And also a massive thank you to Arts Council England and to Houghton Libraries who let us put on this project, and to Arts Council England who are going to be funding us to do the ones moving forward. So yeah, fantastic, great news, and I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their week, and we will be back very soon with some more workshops and projects. Hope you all have a nice day. Take care. See you later.